The BMW 9 Series is a highly anticipated release in the realm of automotive luxury, embodying the commitment of the renowned BMW company to continuous innovation and beauty. Positioned as the culmination of decades of engineering and design excellence, the 9 Series model goes beyond being just a car. It represents a harmonious fusion of beauty and grace, coupled with cutting-edge technology and high-performance capabilities, ensuring a truly unforgettable driving experience for enthusiasts. As BMW consistently pushes the boundaries of what is possible in the ever-evolving world of automotive luxury, the forthcoming N9 Series model is expected to showcase the brand's dedication to excellence and set new standards in the realm of luxury vehicles. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. The new BMW 7 Series and Rolls-Royce seemed too huge to the Bavarians, so that's why they thought about releasing their version of such a car. The show car, which received the N9 Series Index, debuted as a pre-production version of the already existing BMW 7 Series. This incredible concept car was deservedly named Vision Future Luxury, which says everything without any words. And what can I say? The design of this luxury sedan echoes the BMW Pininfarina Gran Lusso Coupe, which was shown all around the world exhibitions some time ago. As for the release date of the 9 Series, the company has not yet provided any accurate information about it. However, there are rumors that the concept car may be released any time before the end of next year. At the same time, there is almost no information about its exterior. I am 100% sure that the company continues to polish the style of the existing version of the exterior while willingly introducing new approaches and final touches. For example, the nostrils of the radiator grille have become even larger, and the laser head optics have narrowed to create a predatory look. The rear part of the car should be relatively short, but the rear doors should open against the direction of movement. At the same time, looking at the prototype, it is easy to imagine what the serial version of the model will look like in general. Huge mirrors, smaller wheels, and fewer edgy parts on the bumpers. The Germans also installed rear OLED optics and laser headlights in their luxurious brainchild, located next to the largest radiator that has ever been installed on Bavarian cars. Organic LED bulbs were chosen because they are thinner and do not need rear-mounted reflectors. Some people say that the current appearance is a classic profile of the 7 Series with its restrained elegance, smooth surfaces, and majestic proportions. And you know what? They would be absolutely right. In addition, the German car manufacturer decided to significantly strengthen the protrusions with carbon weights and power units. That is why it is not yet known for sure what will move the wheels of the new 9 Series. The engineers assume that their improved concept will have simply phenomenal aerodynamics to correspond to all other cars of this class. Can we believe it? Well, why not? To be honest, I don't see any reason to doubt. Firstly, the body shape itself reduces drag, and secondly, the Bavarian luxury sedan concept has many design tricks and features. Airflows are optimized due to air ducts in the rear of the front wheel arches, rear southeast pillars with internal air ducts, as well as due to holes in the rear bumper. Carbon and aluminum are just a symbol of strength and innovative lightness of the overall design. The most important thing is that the concept will be built on a carbon aluminum chassis. I'm sure that you've already understood that. However, the widespread use of carbon fiber in the sedan makes it possible to almost completely get rid of the central pillar to add more air to the interior. In fact, it looks like in the models of the Rolls-Royce. Interior and innovations. The interior and its equipment will surprise you no less than the exterior of the car. So let's start with the fact that the entire interior of the BMW 9 Series will be covered with curved materials made of matte wood, and soft LEDs will illuminate thin and elegantly connected surfaces. Have you noticed the shift lever made of aluminum and glass, which looks more like some kind of a rod? In addition, you can find a symmetrical wood texture on the steering wheel, a fully digital panel with 3D sensors, and a touch center console. The car is equipped with a new iDrive controller, which has a 4-position display without physical buttons and switches. There are 2 separate seats, 2 screens, and pull-out tables in the back row. If both rear screens are playing streaming video or games, there is also a removable touch tablet between the rear seats, which can be used to control the multimedia system. Its augmented reality projection display can display buildings, road signs, traffic lights, and many threats that can be hidden in the blind spot. And you are absolutely right. It can show absolutely any data from the current speed of movement to access to online services, including watching movies and listening to your favorite music. The passenger in the front seat has a touchscreen mounted in the front panel directly in front of him, and the driver is provided with another screen. As we have already said, one is used instead of the dashboard, and the second can be found on the center console. By the way, they are all combined into a single system, and information from one display can be transmitted to any other. So what does that mean? In other words, you can communicate and perform some joint actions even without words. Another feature is that the front seat frames made of carbon fiber, of course, are built into the side rails of the car and are attached to the roof. In fact, they become central body pillars. The seats don't seem to recline much, but I think BMW specialists will definitely be able to think out this moment. Technical specifications. The technical specifications of the BMW 9 Series reveal a degree of sophistication and innovation, although BMW has not provided exhaustive details about its new concept car. Based on available information, it can be inferred that the luxury car may offer a power range that includes engines from the 7 Series models, potentially featuring the impressive 6.6 liters V12 engine. This particular engine, capable of generating 600 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque in the M760 LX drive, is noted for its high performance capabilities, marking it as one of the best engines in BMW's lineup. Moreover, BMW is reportedly planning to introduce a hybrid version of the 9 Series sedan. This hybrid modification is expected to combine a turbo engine with an electric motor, showcasing the brand's commitment to incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly technologies into their luxury vehicles. In conclusion, the technical details of the BMW 9 Series, while not fully disclosed, hint at a blend of powerful and environmentally conscious features. The creation of the Vision Future luxury concept underscores BMW's aim to explore innovative technologies and modern comfort in shaping the future of luxury cars, leaving enthusiasts and the automotive industry curious about the long-term impact and perception of this forward-thinking model. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.